This is Sewing for Fashion Design, Fash 100, the Sewing Notebook. This is sample number 5, Sewing a Plain Seam with Backstitching. Enclosed in the book is a pattern. You need to cut 2. I've cut 2, they're right here on the table. We're going to take those and place those right sides together. We're going to be sewing a seam at 5/8 of an inch. On this machine, 5/8 is between 1/2 and 3/4. We're going to be sewing in the middle of that. 5/8 inch is the standard seam allowance for commercial sewing patterns. We're going to begin by setting the stitch length at about 2.5, and this is our back stitch lever on this machine. We're going to go ahead, give it a little light pressure on the toes, push the back stitch lever down, back stitch. Then sewing a nice straight even line. We're going to sew all the way up at 5/8, watching this area here as we stitch, stitching to the end. Stop, push the lever down, bring the needle fully upright, pull the fabric out, trim your threads. When we're done, we're ready to press. I'm going to go ahead, finger press it first, which is simply running your fingers on it and heading over to the iron to press. Okay, when you've completed the pressing, the seam is pressed it open, or as in the industry they would say busted open. And on the right side of the fabric, there are no pleats or puckers or foldovers along the seam. It's a clean press. And that completes your sample.